Children, we know the Heron's formula. It is used for finding the area of a triangle when the length of three sides of the triangle are given, and its formula is under root s into s minus a within bracket into s minus b within bracket into s minus c within bracket, where s is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now let me discuss question number 1 of exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. So we have a traffic signal board which is equilateral in shape and with side A. Suppose we have made a triangle and its all sides are A, A and A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Now we have to find the area of the signal board. Now we know that for finding the area by Heron's formula, first of all we find the semi-perimeter, that is S. Now S is the sum of all the sides divided by 2. So here the sides are A plus A plus A upon 2. So we will get 3A upon 2. Now let me apply the formula for area. So area formula is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B and C in capital we are denoting it by side, and here we are watching that all the sides are A only. So let you put this value. So we will get 3A upon 2, then 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, then again 3A upon 2 minus A. All this in the under root sign. Now if you will solve this bracket 3A by 2 minus A by using the LCM method, it will come A upon 2. So we will get this 3A upon 2 into A upon 2 into A upon 2 into A upon 2. Now we know how to find the square root of this. Now we are watching that A is coming 4 times. So it is making a double pair of A 2 times. One pair AA, second pair A. So when we will take it outside, so it will come A square. So outside the bracket, under root sign, it will come A square. Then same for 2. One pair is this, one pair is this. So when we will take it out, it will come 4. And this 3 will not make a pair, so it will remain inside the square root sign. It will be root 3. So we are watching that the area of an equilateral triangle, we have got root 3 by 4 into A square, where A is the side of the triangle. So this way we can derive the formula for area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 into A square by 4. Now we have to find the area of the triangle if its perimeter is 180. So let me find this. Now perimeter is 180 given. Now let me find this. Now see, our perimeter is 180. Now we know that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Perimeter is sum of all sides and all the sides are equal. So perimeter formula for equilateral triangle is 3 into side, that is 180. So if you will solve it, side will come 60. Now right now we have derived the formula for area, that is root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side square means 60 square. So it will come root 3 into 3600 upon 4. So this will come 900 root 3 centimeter square. So this way we can find the area of this equilateral triangle. Number 2. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The sides of the wall are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? चिल्ड्रन, आप लोगों ने बहुत बार देखा होगा कि फ्लाईओवर्स में या हाईवेज में जहाँ फ्लाईओवर होते हैं उनके ऊपर बहुत सारे कमर्शियल एड्स बने होते हैं। तो उन कमर्शियल एड्स के लिए कंपनी पर्टिकुलर ओनर को मनी पे करती है। तो ये भी क्वेश्चन एक वैसा ही है कि एक फ्लाईओवर के ऊपर एक ट्रायंगुलर शेप में एरिया है जिसके ऊपर एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगाने हैं और आपको उसका 3 मंथ का रेंट निकालना है। अगर 1 ईयर का रेंट है ₹5,000 पर मीटर स्क्वायर। तो देखिए, जब भी हम एडवर्टाइजमेंट पुट करेंगे तो हम इस ट्राइंगल का ये पोर्शन कवर करेंगे, यानी कि सरफेस कवर करेंगे। इट मीन्स इट्स अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ एरिया। तो यहाँ पर हमें एरिया के कॉन्सेप्ट को डील करना है और यहाँ पर हमें टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट निकालनी है या टोटल रेंट निकालना है। तो टोटल कॉस्ट जो होगी हमारी रेंट की, उसका फॉर्मूला हम यूज़ करेंगे, वो हो जाएगा एरिया मल्टीप्लाई रेट, यानी कि जिस रेट से चार्ज हो रहा है दैट मल्टीप्लाई टू द एरिया, जितना एरिया हमें कवर करना है वो। अब क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ट्राइंगल है तो हम इसका एरिया निकालेंगे और ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स दी गई हैं, तो वी कैन यूज़ हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द एरिया। सो हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला से एरिया निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले हम इसका सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे, यानी एस निकालेंगे। एस होता है तीनों साइड्स का सम डिवाइडेड बाय 2। तो 122 प्लस 22 प्लस 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। तो दिस विल बी 264 divided by 2, it will come 132. So this is the semi perimeter of this triangle. Now we can apply Heron's formula for finding its area. It will be under root S means 132, S minus A, so 132 minus 122, S minus B, so we can write 132 minus 22, S minus C, so we can write 132 minus 120. Now it will come 132 into, if you will subtract this 0, 3 minus 2, 1, 10 it will come. Then 132 minus 22 it will come 110, and 132 minus 20 it will come 12. So we got this 132 into 10 into 110 into 12 in the under root sign. So we have to further factorize it to get the square root. So we have obtained 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. Now let me factorize this. So when we will factorize 132, so it will come 12 into 11. We can write it as 12 into 11, because if you will multiply 12 and 11 you will get 132. This is 10 here. 110 when we can write as 11 into 10, and this as 12. Now we make the factor one pair for 12. Let me make the pair of 11. So one pair of 11 and similarly one pair of 10. So it will come 1320 meter square. So we have taken out the area of this triangle. Now our formula was total cost equals to area multiply rate. Now let me focus on the rate. Now here the rate is given this way, that for 1 year, 1 year means 12 months. For 12 months the rate was 5,000 per meter square. But we have to find the rent for 3 months. So first of all let me find the rent for 1 month. So for 1 month we will apply the unitary method. It will come 5,000 by 12 per meter square. This is the rent for 1 month. Now we have to calculate for 3 months. So for 3 months it will be 5,000 multiply 3 by 12 per meter square. So we have taken out the rate for 3 month for 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. ये आपका जो रेट है वो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का 3 महीने का जो रेंट है वो ये है, और हमें टोटल निकालना है 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए. तो अब हम यूनिटरी मेथड जानते हैं, हम इसको सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे रेट को एरिया से. तो वी विल गेट दिस वे. नाउ एरिया इज टोटल कॉस्ट. नाउ एरिया इज 1320, rate is 5000 into 3 by 12. Now let me solve it. 12 330. So it is coming rupees 16,50,000. So this way we can find the rent of the whole wall for 3 months. Question number 4. Find the area of triangle. Two of sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So in this case we are being given the two sides of the triangle and the perimeter is given. So if we take a rough figure of the triangle, so two sides are given 18 and 10. Let me suppose the remaining side is x. Now we know that sum of all the side is equal to perimeter, which is given here 42 centimeter. So we can find the third side this way: x plus 18 plus 10 equals to 42. So we can find x from here. It will be 42 minus 28. So it will be 14. So our third side has come 14 centimeter. Now we know all the three sides of this triangle, so we can find its area by Heron's formula now. So first of all, let me find the semi perimeter. It will be 14 plus 18 plus 10 upon 2. So it will be 42 by 2, that is 21. So our semi perimeter is 21. Now let me apply the Heron's formula for finding the area. So we know it is under root s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So our s is 21. S minus a means 21 minus 14. S minus b means 21 minus 18. And s minus c, let me take 21 minus 10. So upon solving we will get this as 21, then 7, 3 and 11. So this we have obtained 21 into 7 into 3 into 11. Now let me go for finding the area. So we have obtained right now this. Now we can factorize this. 21 can be factorized as 3 into 7, 7 into 3 into 11. We are watching pair of 7 is made, pair of 3 is there. So it will be 3 into 7 root 11. So it will be 21 root 11 centimeter square. So this way we can find the area of this triangle. Question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25 and perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ट्राइंगल का पेरीमीटर दिया है और साइड्स की रेशियो दी गई है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम साइड्स को जो कि रेशियो के फॉर्म में दी गई है उसको वैल्यू के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. एंड वी नो जब भी किसी रेशियो को वैल्यू के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है तो उसके साथ एक वेरिएबल यूज़ किया जाता है. सो लेट वी एज्यूम लेट द साइड्स बी. हम इस ट्राइंगल की साइड्स को ले लेते हैं 12x, 17x एंड 25x. ये हमने इसकी साइड्स को एज्यूम कर लिया है. अब हमें दिया गया है पेरीमीटर 540 सेंटीमीटर, यानी इन तीनों साइड्स का सम 540 सेंटीमीटर के बराबर होना चाहिए. तो 12x plus 17x plus 25x, it will be equals to 540. इसको हम अगर लेफ्ट साइड ऐड करेंगे 54x इक्वल्स टू 540 आ जाएगा, यानी x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारी 10. सो द x इज कमिंग 10. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड द साइड्स. तो हमारी साइड्स हो जाएंगी 12x यानी 12 इंटू 10 120 सेंटीमीटर. सेकेंड साइड है हमारी 17x, तो 17 इंटू 10 170 सेंटीमीटर. एंड थर्ड साइड इज 25x, so it will be 25 into 10, that is 250 centimeter. So we have obtained the three sides of the triangle. They are coming 120, 170 and 250. Now we know the three sides of the triangle, so we can apply the Heron's formula now. So let we go for that. First of all, semi-perimeter let we find. So S will be perimeter 540 given divided by 2. It is actually sum of all side divided by 2 and sum of all side is perimeter. So ये हमारा आ जाएगा 270. Now let we apply the Heron's formula. Now we know Heron's formula is, we know the sides 120, 170 and 250. So Heron's formula is S minus A, so 270 minus 120, S minus B, so 270 minus 170, and S minus C, so 270 minus 250. This we have done. Now 270 as it is, it will come 150, it will come 100 and it will come 20. Now let me factorize these. This is the factorization of 270. Now factorization of 150. Now factorization of 100. And factorization of 20 is so we have factorized all the terms. Now let me make the pair of 2 2. So for 3 one pair is this, so it will come out. For this 3 we have 1 3 here, so this will come out. Now for this 2 we have this 2, it will come out. Then one pair of 2 here, it will come out. One pair of 2 here, it will come out. Now let me go for 5. So 1 5 is there, 1 5 is there, so one pair out. 1 5 is there, 1 5 is there, so one pair out. Then 1 5 is there, 1 5 is there, one more 5 pair out. So we have factorized and taken the pair out. So now let me multiply. It will come total 9000 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is coming 9000 centimeter square. Let me discuss question number 6 now. An isosceles triangle has a perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Now we know that isosceles triangle is that in which two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. So let me take the equal sides to be 12 here and 12 here, and remaining third side let me take as x. Now we are given perimeter is 30 centimeter, means sum of all side equals to 30 centimeter. So we can write x plus 12 equals to 30. So we will get x means third side from here. 30 minus 24, that is coming 6. So this third side is coming 6. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. Now we know all the three sides of the triangle, so we can use the Heron's formula. First of all, we have to find S. S means semi-perimeter, sum of all sides divided by 2, and sum of all sides means perimeter, so which is already given here 30. So 30 divided by 2, it will come 15. Now we can apply the Heron's formula. First of all, S means semi-perimeter 15, S minus A, so let me take the first side to be 12, 15 minus 12, S minus B, so let me take the second side also be 12, and S minus C, let me take the third side to be 6. We have done this. Now this is 15, 15 minus 12 means 3, 3 and 9. So this we have done here. Factorization part is done. Now further we factorize it. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into 3 into 3, and 9 can be factorized as 3 into 3. So this is the final factorization we have done. Now let me go for making the pair. So one pair is this, one pair is this. This 3 and 5 is not making the pair. So we will get finally 9 root 15. So this is the area of this triangle in centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle, 9 root 15 centimeter square. So this way we can find the area of this isosceles triangle.